Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, talking about increasing your orders and getting your orders in early. The easiest way is probably right in your pocket, in your telephone. Yes, that's the very best way to increase orders and get them in early. Go back and pull every single order from last year. If it's for Valentine's Day, all your Valentine's Day orders. If it's for Mother's Day, all your Mother's Day orders. Pull each one and give that person a personal call. Yes, dial that phone and just say, hello, this is Leanne at Flowers in the Park. I'm giving you a courtesy call because last year we did Mother's Day flowers and we would love to do it again. Would you like to go ahead and place an order today? And sit and wait for them to say yes. You'll find that many people say thank you and give you that order right at that very minute. So plan ahead, get those orders out, and make that phone call. Now you know how the pros do it.